The fuck are you doing, you retard? It's called a blinker. You use it to indicate change of direction. Dumbass. Hi, you want to go? Do you not like the shade of green? Doesn't change the shade. Come on. There you go. Wow. See what happens when you push the gas pedal? You fucking move. Wow. You know how to drive, don't you? You're fucking darn. Okay, can you figure out what the hell you're doing? That would be nice. Derp. Go right ahead, you fucking twit. Get your damn driver's license out of a cereal box? What the fuck? Fucking two morons for the price of one.